question number 10. There are 37 terms in an AP. The sum of three terms placed exactly at the middle is 225 and the sum of last three terms is 429. Write the AP. So student, as we know that if we want to write AP, we should know the first term A and common difference D. But this is not given in the question. Instead of that they gave, there are total 37 terms in the AP and the sum of exactly three middle terms is 225 and the sum of last three terms is 429. And from that we have to create AP. Okay. Now first we should know which terms are the exactly middle terms. So total terms are given 37 terms. Okay. If you find out the exact middle term of that 37 term, so 19th term is the exact middle term. Okay. 18 terms on left side and 18 terms on right side. So 18 plus 18, 36, and that 19th term is 37. Okay, that means which terms are exactly the middle terms? 18th, 19th and 28th. Okay, so let us start the solution. We will write down that first. There are 37 terms in an AP. Therefore, 18th, 19th and 28th terms are middle terms. Their sum is 225. Okay. Now student, the question is related to the terms in AP. So obviously we have to use which formula? Correct. Nth term of AP. So we know that formula. Nth term is denoted as Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This formula we have to use. Okay. Now the sum of 18th, 19th and 28th term is 225. That means T18 plus T19 plus T20 is equal to 225. Okay. Now using this Tn formula, we will first find out 18th term. Square bracket. So T18. Now n equal to 18. T18 is equal to A plus 18 minus 1 into D. A plus 18 minus 1 into D. Close the bracket. Plus T19. So similarly we will find T19. So T19 is equal to A plus 19 minus 1 into D. A plus 19 minus 1 into D. Now plus T20. T20 is equal to A plus 20 minus 1 into D is equal to 225. Follow? Now we will solve this bracket. Therefore, A plus 18 minus 1, 17D. Plus A plus 19 minus 1, 18D. Plus A plus 20 minus 1, 19D is equal to 225. Okay. Now algebraic expression we have to add like terms. A plus A plus A is equal to 3A. Now 17D plus 18D is equal to how much? 35D. 35D plus 19D is equal to 54D. equal to 225. Now if you observe the coefficient here each term is divisible by 3. So if you divide it by 3, first term 3a divided by 3 we will get a. Now 54 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24, 18d. And here 3 sevens are 21, 3 fives are 15. So here we got first linear equation in two variables. This is our first equation, and reason here we will write dividing both the sides by 3. Okay. Now second condition. Now the second condition is sum of last 3 terms is 429. Sum of last 3 terms is 429. Now which are the last 3 terms? Here they gave, there are total 37 terms. So 37th is the last term. Its previous term is 36th term. Its previous term is 35th term. That means 35th, 36th and 37th. These are the last 3 terms. 35th, 36th, 37 are last 3 terms. And their sum is 429. So again we will get equation T35 plus T36 plus T37 is equal to 429. Okay. Now to find out T35, again we will use Tn formula. You can highlight this formula here. So how we will find T35? T35 is equal to A plus 35 minus 1 into D. Now I am writing directly. 35 minus 1, 34D. So T35 I will get A plus 34D plus T36 A plus 36 minus 1, 35D plus 37D A plus 37 minus 1, 36D is equal to 429. Followed students, I skip this step. Instead of that, I wrote directly this step. So you also can write directly. Now we will add this. A plus A plus A is equal to 3A. Now 34D plus 35D plus 36D. If you add all these terms, you will get 105D. So 105D is equal to 429. Now here also each term is divisible by 3. So we will divide it by 3. If you divide it by 3, you will get A plus 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15 is equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. This is our equation number 2. A plus 35 is equal to 143. Write the reason. Dividing both the sides by 3. Followed? Now we got two linear equations in two variables. Now we will solve this. So to remove a, we will subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So here we will write subtracting equation 1 from 2. Okay. So here a minus a, we get a minus a removed. Now 35d minus 18d. 35 minus 18, 17d. 143 minus 75. 13 minus 5, 8. Again 13 minus 7, 6. 17d is equal to 68. Therefore, d is equal to 68 divided by 17. Therefore, d is equal to 4. Substituting d equal to 4 in equation 1. So, equation 1 is a plus 18d equal to 75. So, a plus 18 into 4 is equal to 75. So, now 18 into 4. 18 into 4 is equal to 72 equal to 75. So a is equal to 75 minus 72. Therefore a is equal to 3. So we got the value of a equal to 3 and d equal to 4, and now we can create AP. So to create AP, we require minimum 3 to 4 terms. So a T1 is equal to first term a, which is equal to 3. T2 is equal to T1 plus d. T1 we got 3 and d equal to 4. So 3 plus 4, 7. T3 equal to T2 plus d. T2 7, d 4. 7 plus 4, 11. Okay. So we got first term 3, second term 7, third term 11. Therefore, required AP is 3, 7, 11 up to infinite.